A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the silent mastery, countering negativity with its opposite. Ladies and gentlemen, in a world increasingly shaped by conflict, aggression and reactive emotions, negativity often appears self-perpetuating. The instinctive response is to mirror hostility with hostility, anger with anger, deception with deceit. Yet, ancient wisdom points to a quieter mastery. Negativity dissolves not when reflected, but when met by its counter force. As a timeless maxim teaches, the way to overcome the angry man is with gentleness, the evil man with goodness, the miser with generosity, and the liar with truth. This principle is neither abstract nor utopian. Both ancient teachings and modern science reveal why opposites carry the true power of neutralization. Negativity feeds on replication. Conflict escalates when mirrored. However, when met with its opposing quality, it often collapses under imbalance. The Tao Te Ching describes water overcoming rock, yielding yet unbreakable. Stoic philosophy reminds that the highest power lies not in controlling others, but oneself. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Science reflects this principle in nature itself. Opposite charges attract and neutralize. Like charges repel and amplify instability. Emotional energies follow similar pathways. Conflict between identical negativities fuels escalation, while opposing virtues diffuse it. Neuroscience further explains when aggression is met with calm, the amygdala's dominance subsides, allowing higher cognitive functions to restore balance. Studies in group dynamics show that even one stable mind can reset entire emotional climates. Yet, the ability to counter negativity with its opposite is not instinctive. It demands intentional cultivation of inner fitness across all dimensions: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. Brain entrainment techniques, when aligned with the larger rhythm of cosmic intelligence, act as a compass. They nurture clarity, resilience, and virtues like wisdom, compassion, and courage. In this state, the inner sun rises, casting light on confusion and providing day-like clarity even amidst the darkest storms. Without such inner alignment, the temptation to retaliate remains strong, but with cultivated steadiness, reaction is replaced by response, conscious, wise, and often disarming. What's the way forward? Building this silent mastery requires conscious investment across individual and institutional levels. Education must include not only knowledge but training in emotional regulation, ethical reasoning, and inner resilience. Leadership at all levels, political, organizational, or social, must model steadiness over dominance, response over reaction. Media and technology must elevate constructive discourse, resisting the commercial appeal of outrage. At the personal level, practices that strengthen the brain, heart, lungs, gut circuit, align circadian and cosmic rhythms, and foster neuro-emotional coherence can help create a deep internal harmony, making the practice of meeting negativity with its opposite not merely a philosophy but an accessible daily discipline. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the impulse to meet force with force is ancient, but it leads only to deeper entanglement. True mastery lies in transcending the cycle, in answering hostility with calm, distortion with truth, greed with generosity, and anger with gentle strength. As the Bhagavad Gita counsels, the calm mind sees truth. The disturbed mind sees illusion. In a world clouded by storms of reaction, those who ignite their inner sun become steady beacons, not consumed by the turbulence around them, but illuminating paths for others. They do not simply survive adversity, they transform it. And in doing so, they embody the highest expression of power, not domination over others, but full mastery over self. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.